Welcome back to another episode of Excel is Easy with Nav. Today, we're going to learn about the AVERAGEIF function in Excel, which can save you a lot of time when analyzing data. Let's dive into a realistic scenario. Imagine you're a sales manager with a list of monthly sales figures for your team. You want to find the average sales for employees who have exceeded a certain sales target. It could be any number, but we have assumed 28,000 in this case. Here's how the AVERAGEIF function can help. The AVERAGEIF function calculates the average of cells that meet a specific condition. We want to find the average sales for employees who have exceeded the target of £28,000. Here's how we can do it using the AVERAGEIF function. Select the cell where you want the average to appear. Enter the formula, equal AVERAGEIF, open parenthesis. Select range of cells you want to apply the criteria to, type comma, and then define the criteria. Since we are trying to find the average sales above 28,000, our criteria will be greater than 28,000. However, we don't need to type 28,000, as we have created a cell with target sale number, i.e., cell G3. So we can simply put greater than G3 in our criteria. However, Excel can't read these arithmetic signs in the formula bar, so we will have to put the greater than sign between the double quotes and then insert and sign and type G3. Since we have linked the function to cell G3, this would allow us playing with the target sales number later on without having to change the function. Now press comma and select the average range. Our average range is C4 to C53 in this case because we want average sales number as an output. Now close the parenthesis and press enter. Voila! You have your average sales numbers where the sales exceeded the target. The average sales number above the set target is £39,500. Now let's change the target in cell G3 to £30,000 and see what happens. Your average sales number above the set target is £40,500. Now, it's your turn. Practice AVERAGEIF function on your own data and make your data analysis more efficient. That's it for today. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and please don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video, and make sure you hit the subscribe button to follow daily updates. I will see you in the next video.